Hey guys, what's going on? Immunology here. So today it's my time to unbox a used Huawei P8 Lite. So without further ado, let's get started. But the box is Redmi C3, but the phone itself is Huawei P8 Lite. So here's the box. Redmi C3, very nice. This is original box. Very nice. Let's unbox. With bubble wrap. So here's the phone. What else? Nothing. Wow, so here's the phone. Huawei P8 Lite, white color, 2GB of RAM, 60GB of storage. At the back side, wow, it's so clean. Like it's a brand new phone. No scratch, no crack. Very clean. At the side, good condition. Chrome still there. Very nice design. This phone was released in 2015. This is Huawei P8 but Lite version. Very nice. Alright, so the phone itself already been set up, and let me show you the inside. See, this is the lock screen. This is the home screen. Wow. First thing first, let's go to setting. Select the down, about phone. As you can see, it runs EMUI 3.1.1 with Android 5.0.1 Lollipop. This is not the latest version. The latest version should be Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. But when I check updates, it doesn't get the updates at all. Maybe this version doesn't get, because as you can see, this is the model 503 HW Japanese model. So if you're taking screenshot or taking photo, example like this, the sound shutter is really loud. You can't silence the shutter sound because this is Japanese model. Not only Huawei, even iPhone, my iPhone 5 also same like that. Japanese model can silence the camera shutter, but it's okay for me. Very nice UI. I've checked everything, yes, no problem at all. All are working well, even the camera. Let's check out the camera. Maybe it's 4x zoom. Very good. Very clear. In silent mode now. But when I shutter, as you can see, very loud shutter sound. Camera is really nice. Selfie, it works. Not bad. Navigation and navigation panel. Buttons are inside on the screen. Very nice UI. Very nice animation. Very fast. Beautiful phone. I bought this about 59 ringgit only on Shopee with very cheap price. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for unboxing Huawei P8 Lite in 2023 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.